Hi all, hope you are doing well. And today is this day 6 of the Karnataka High Court hijab hearing, where the court again adjourned the matter to for Monday. The hearing in the petition challenging the hijab ban resumed in the High Court today, which is day 6, after 10 to 20 minutes of striking down one or two petitions on the ground of mentability and some few technical issues in terms of filing. The baton is passed to Advocate General to begin the submissions for respondent. The Advocate General Prabhuling Navadgi, while arguing on behalf of the state of Karnataka, said that the practice of wearing hijab must pass the test of constitutional morality and individual dignity outlined in Sabarimala verdict by the Supreme Court. He said that the state government has taken the state that the hijab does not come under the essential religious practices in Islam. Although on account of this statement and the account of Geo, the government order which banned the hijab and other headgears, he faced some troublesome questions from the bench. He also said that the state government has taken this stand that the hijab does not come under the essential part of practice. He added that the state government had ordered that the students should wear uniform prescribed by colleges and the government does not want to intervene in religious matters. Although the hearing will continue on Monday, now, now let us focus on some of the pertinent counter arguments made by the Advocate General on countering the arguments which was put forth by the Senior Advocate Kamath and Senior Advocate Hegel and other senior counsels appearing on behalf of the petitioners. He also questioned that the AG points out that Article 25(1) starts with subject to. The fundamental right it starts with a non-obstantive clause. 25 clause 2 25(2) does not prevent state from making a law to regulate or restrict. Moving on, he said that the series of rights under Article 19 can be regulated only by a law to be made by the state, but law to be made by the state is not present in Article 25, and this is subject to public order, morality, and health. Although on the question of that whether the hijab forms the part of essential religious practice in Islam, the AG that complete no, and he will substantiate his arguments on Monday. On account of differentiating between the freedom of conscience and freedom of religion, the Advocate General said that the freedom of conscience refers to the mental concept, whether freedom of religion refers to the external manifestation through observance and rituals. Similarly, on this, the Chief Justice asked that according to you, the hijab practice of wearing hijab comes under conscience or manifestation. So on this, he said that the practice of wearing hijab is definitely certainly comes under manifestation of its religion. Therefore, it does not form the practice which is essential to Islam. The AG also said that the prescription of uniform was there since 2013 in this particular institution in ODP. On the same thing, he said that I am only trying to pursue it that the prescription of uniform has been made since some time. So majorly he discussed these two things that this needs to pass the test of morality, which constitutional morality, and also that the resolution is there from 2013 and the girls are creating problem from December 2021 only when they reached to the principal rooms and said that they will only wear the headgears which is hijab and then they will come to the schools, their particular schools and pre-university colleges. At the end of the hearing, Advocate Muhammad Tahir rises up and makes a mention that interim order of this court was passed considering the law and order situation. It was limited to where CDC has prescribed uniform. Even teachers are not spared and Muslim community members are facing difficulties. On this, he also said that ministers are giving some statements which are against this High Court order, and everyone is interpreting the High Court order differently. On which the AG replied that give me a proper application. I will instruct that only interpreted the order of the High Court as it is laid down. After that, the bench rises and the hearing will to continue on Monday, and where the Advocate General touches the issue of constitutional issues involved in this hijab law. Stay tuned and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.